What is up, guys? Epic Gamer here. Today I got a Blackweb. Blackweb keyboard looks pretty cool. I opened it once, and I really didn't do anything with it. But today I'm gonna open it. I opened it, and then I was thinking about you guys and stuff like that. I'm like, I haven't made a video in a while, so you can stop right there and read all that. It's pretty nice. So let's open this. Pretty nice, huh? I already know it has lights, okay? I didn't cut the lights on. I don't know what color lights it is. But I read the manual and you cut it on with that right there. Yep. Yeah, you cut it on with that. Sorry for the freaking brightness. Cheers. Cut it on with all that right there. I'm gonna plug it up real quick. Oh god, sorry. Gonna plug it up. Sorry I sound really sleepy. It's like 2 o'clock right now. And I can't even plug things up, obviously. Alright, there we go. Oh crap. So, I wanted to just show you this before. That focus out right there. Alright, so look at all that. It's pretty beautiful, actually. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, like it. I took all the like kind of like stickers off, stuff like that. You can see it's already collecting that kind of dust kind of stuff. Already. I can just blow that off though. Yeah, so I already know this is how you cut the lights on. And you press these two together with these two right here to make them light. I don't know. I'll show you in a bit. So okay, so we're gonna cut the light on. Press this button right here. And see, it's green. Okay. Put that down a little bit. It's not green, but it's like kind of yellowish color. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of a yellow color. So if you press this button again, now it's green. That. You can't really see it, but I gotta keep on freaking focusing this thing. Ooh, there it is. Alright, so you press this button again. It's red. These two buttons right here. On and off. Pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys this. It's so that you know I'm not just wasting my time. I actually got a job and I'm working. Get stuff like this for you guys. So thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will be letting you guys know what I'm doing. So go check out my Twitter and stuff like that. But thank you guys.